Hey guys, this is Shauna Jones, the CEO and founder of LivBay Lash here in Las Vegas. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't yet already, go ahead and hit the subscription button below. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about LivBay's favorite combo to maximize your retention. We have had so much amazing feedback with our Climax Bond sealant and our Magnetic Vibe adhesive. So what's awesome about a sealant is it's great for sensitive clients, but it's also great for just any type of client you have. So I just did a detailed video on how to use the Climax Bond and what it does, so you can go ahead and check that out after this video. But the main purpose for the Climax Bond is just to better your retention. It's going to seal in any type of fume that's trying to release after application, which is gonna hold all of the key ingredients together to maximize your retention. So for better results, we have been seeing the most amazing retention with our Magnetic Vibe adhesive. So we call Magnetic Vibe because it literally clicks in like a magnet. We have been seeing amazing results with the Climax Bond and the Magnetic Vibe. The Magnetic Vibe has such a wide variety of humidity. It goes from 30 to 70%, and ideal temperature is 68 to 73 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a 1 to 2 second dry time, and it is latex free. So matched with the Climax Bond, here is some amazing before and after photos of 2 to 4 week retention using this duo. So just keep in mind, if you decide to use these two products together, you definitely want to keep them separate. There's a lot of ingredients in the Climax Bond which can actually dry out your adhesive. So at the end of your service, before you go to apply the Climax Bond, you just want to make sure that your adhesive is put away in an airtight container before you open the Climax Bond. Another neat thing that I actually just learned this weekend, it's best to shake your adhesive with the poker in it instead of the lid. So if you've ever experienced issues with the cap getting stuck to the actual glue bottle, it's more than likely the way you're shaking it. You could be shaking it up and down rather than side to side, or you're shaking it with a lid on. So when you're shaking it with a lid on, especially with thin viscosity adhesives, the glue can get up in the nozzle, and then before you know it, the cap is stuck. And always remember to store your adhesive in an airtight container in the ideal temperature and humidity ranges. Lastly, I touched base with this in our other YouTube video, but keep in mind, if you do order the Climax Bond, it is 15 ml worth of product in a 20 ml bottle. We do that for the sole purpose of the way that it's transported here in the cabin pressure. Also, when you get it, we don't want it leaking all over. So if you're interested in trying these two together, you can use code word MADRETENTION for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value. Question for you is, have you ever used a bonder before? Go ahead and comment below. We hope to see you guys in the next video.